Hi, my name is Sudesh. I'm the CEO and founder of Leadtecno Consulting. We are an IT staffing and training company providing services in US and Canada. And I bring greetings and I wish you all a very happy new year. Happy 2025 and let this year be of a great success. It's a great year overall for us because our economy is bouncing back. And I wanted to make a short video to bring some awareness on how to move towards a tech career. If you are a non-tech and you've never been in a tech industry before, and you're not sure how to get into a tech industry, and we need some awareness, and this video is for you. Okay, just before I go ahead, I want to share my screen and discuss a little bit about myself, and we'll take it forward from there. Just give me a second here. Yeah. So this is our training company and staffing services. On the training side, we provide training for cloud data engineering, cloud DevOps engineering, cloud engineering for solution architects, certified cloud administrators, data scientist roles, and cybersecurity. We do SOC analyst, penetration testing, information management systems. And for the non-techs, people who are trying to move into a technical background or moving into a functional, techno-functional role, we have business analyst career. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about business analyst career, and this is for the folks who are coming from absolutely no tech background, and I want to discuss about how you can transition into this career. Okay, and this video is especially made for you. And like I said, my name is Sudesh, and I have an overall 20 years of experience in IT and IT service management and IT staffing, career coaching, and consulting. Okay, I love career coaching because I see that in our country, I see a lot of people are liking to go into this career, but then they're not sure how to do it. So we all need to help each other. So I want to bring this good news, stating that it is possible to move into a tech career without any coding skills or prior tech skills. And let's discuss about how we can go about that. So just before that, I want to talk about us. So we are into consulting services, staffing services, and career mentorship. Okay. So, and coming back to it, I just want to discuss about the program which I'm going to talk about is a business analyst career. Okay. Today, business analyst is a kind of a career on the IT side where we help with development and we help capture requirements from the business stakeholders and providing to the development team and help them with development. Okay, so business analyst career is an amazing career if you're good with communication skills, and if you're looking to start a career, step into a career with no prior IT, then this is it for you. In our company, what we do is we only focus on careers which are in demand, and we help people move in there. So we understand the demand and supply very well, and most of the careers we focus are the careers which are in high demand and low supply. Talking about business analyst career, there are different kinds of business analyst jobs here. Okay, business analyst is a framework. Business analyst comes with QA skills, data analyst skills. They come with domain skills like banking sectors, insurance sector skills, healthcare sector, supply chain. So you could be a domain. You can also become a domain-centric BA, or you can become a system-specific BA, like a BA in ServiceNow technology, BA in cloud technology, BA in Pega, banking system, BA in Guidewire, it's an insurance sector. So either you want to become a domain-based BA or you want to become a technology BA. But today, what is in demand? You want to help you navigate in today's situation. I would rather recommend you to become a system-based business analyst, where you have a business analyst skill, but you're also a subject matter expert in a particular technology. Okay, when I'm talking about technology, don't get scared. I'm not here to freak you out. Um, First thing is important for us to understand the problem, and then I will discuss the solution. In today's job market, you have to understand that you don't want to be having a generic skill. You want to have a skill which is in demand, and I will help you transition into the job. So that's what we do. We are a training and a placement services program. So we assist you. So I help with people who are work permits, Canadian citizens, and PR. For the citizens, I help them secure a job in US and we market them. For Canada, we help folks with work permit and and permanent residents. Okay, so talking about BA, like I said, there are business side BA and there are technology BA. So demand is more on the technology side. As a functional BA or a techno-functional BA, you can roll in, but provided you need to have technology sense. Okay, so that's what we teach. So the program which I am helping people move right now is on the business analyst on the ServiceNow technology. So why are we talking about ServiceNow? Okay, ServiceNow, it's an IT infrastructure tool. Okay, and let me share us my screen over here. Give me a second here. Okay, and by the way, we are also do staffing services for this company, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Randstad, TCS, Infosys, and Wipro, and many other Canadian firms. So let's discuss about a little bit more about a BA in a ServiceNow career. I do want to tell you the program which I'm offering right now is a two-phase training program. Okay, first phase is about learning the ServiceNow technology, and second phase is about business analyst training. It's a full stack. We're going to talk both about it. So you are going to go in as a ServiceNow admin, IT administrator, or you can also become a ServiceNow business analyst. So there are two roles you're focusing on this. It is very important for you to have a knowledge of the ServiceNow system. So why ServiceNow? You have to understand right now when the recruiters are looking for a consultant or looking to hire a BA, they will not search for as a BA. They will search you on a technology. ServiceNow or Salesforce or Pega, they're all different kind of technology, but you want to specialize on something which is in demand right now. It's very important. If you don't understand the demand and supply, you could be sitting without a job for a very long time. Okay. And if you're thinking that you want to become only BA and not any technology based, I will tell you that you will be wasting your time. Okay, I'm not here to waste your time. I'm here to bring solution. Okay, I want to make sure that you see yourself in a job. And it's very important for you to understand that you need to have a strategy to be on a job. Okay, the strategy what I'm offering you is to have a specialty on a system and become a BA in it. It's very doable. Okay, and we'll tell you how to do it. So first, let me explain you what is ServiceNow. Okay, so what is ServiceNow and what's a big deal about ServiceNow? So what's possibly great about the ServiceNow ecosystem? Why should we switch into learning as a ServiceNow? Technology, is the salary potential really high? How difficult is to get started? And do I have to be technology guru to make it? These are the commonly asked questions about ServiceNow. Okay. Now let's figure out about this. Now, ServiceNow is a kind of a company which is, you know, how a tech company, every company will have a, IT department, right? So imagine the IT department is done in cloud now. Okay, when we provide IT services in cloud, it reduces the operation expense by 50%. So that's what ServiceNow does. ServiceNow company by itself is a very unique company. They offer very unique services like IT services, IT help desk services in cloud. Okay, and they don't have any rivals, and they are one of the fastest growing company globally, and their client base is almost 80% of Fortune 500 companies are their clients. Okay, and they're growing big time in Canada. So right now they are currently, as of 2024, they are making close to 4 billion per year, and they are looking at a renewal rate of 25% of their clients, or they have a growth of 25% per year, and 98% of their clients are renewing every year. So 2025, 2026 is a year of deployment. There's a lot of development opportunities there, a lot of jobs coming up. So you want to specialize in ServiceNow. You might ask me, Sudhish, only by focusing ServiceNow, am I not narrowing down my search? The answer is no. I'll tell you how this is going to work. ServiceNow is an infrastructure tool. Having a knowledge about an infrastructure tool in your profile as a BA, it works very well for your resume. It brings a lot of credit to your resume. So now the technology people really appreciate people who have skills on ServiceNow, because in and day out, everybody works on ServiceNow tools to raise tickets and manage their projects. Okay, so you can have a ServiceNow knowledge on your profile as a resume, and also all the other doors for other BA jobs will also open for you. This is how you want to approach it. So I could offer only a BA training, right? Why am I not offering just BA? Because I just know by just doing a BA job, BA preparation, it's not enough for you to cut into this market today. You need to have a technology skill set, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to teach you completely about the different kind of job roles, different kind of workflows involved in the system, in the different organizations over here, and we will guide you with that. Okay, and one second here. So averagely, we are looking at a ServiceNow growth. Most of there is a demand of almost 66%. There's a demand of employees in ServiceNow space. Okay, and the unemployment rate in ServiceNow, somebody has a ServiceNow knowledge, is only 1%. So this career is a very secure career. Up to 2030, there is a serious growth in this career we are looking at. So, I would suggest you, and there are big companies like AT&T, Coca-Cola, Deloitte, Delta, Fruit and Loom, McDonald's. You see the companies over here, the popular companies, they are all ServiceNow clients. ServiceNow does not have any rival, and they're coming up with new models every year. So let's talk about ServiceNow a little bit more. I'm going to skip some few pages and let's discuss about what is ServiceNow. Let me bring you some awareness to you. It's very important for you to understand what you get into. I do want to tell you, just because everybody is doing something doesn't mean it is right. What I want to tell you is if it is highly visible, a career is highly visible, then everybody is going to go after that. Then you are one among thousands waiting for a job. Okay, you don't want to be there. When there is a job opportunity coming up, you should be in the top 25. And that is what we're talking about. So, ServiceNow technology, you see over here, when a business has a problem or opportunity, you see that they reach out to the IT department, and the IT department provides a solution, and you will have a technical guy who will provide a solution. This is what IT department will do. Usually, IT departments do not produce revenue. It's an expense, often the largest, and exists to enable and enhance the ability to revenue producing business people. So it's like a necessary evil. We cannot survive without an IT department, but the companies are looking forward to see how they can reduce the operating expense of the IT department. That's where ServiceNow comes. So ServiceNow, why ServiceNow? IT, what if IT services are designed and delivered in a way which allows business people to solve the business problems? ServiceNow is a tool which is highly configurable, and organizations, they are able to configure according to their needs. So upon the end of this training, you as a ServiceNow admin or a BA, you will know how to configure the ServiceNow tool based on the client's requirement. Okay, so that's what we're going to teach you. Okay, and this tool is so cool that it is a cloud based. This is the only IT infrastructure tool for the first time. It's a cloud based tool, and it's also an AI generated, so you don't have to learn any coding, nothing technical about it. You just need to learn how to configure this tool from the user interface side, from the configuration side, from the integration. We're going to teach you everything. All you need to have is have an open mind to come and learn. So now what business are doing is they want to reduce the operational cost in IT services. So they are right now, okay, have a problem. They're reaching out to ServiceNow, and ServiceNow is providing solutions and services, as you see there in the picture over here. Moving ahead, it's a cloud-based solution platform. And if you want to look into a new career in IT, you have to make sure that it is a cloud-based technology you're learning, which is where the demand is. So this career is hot till 2035, and ServiceNow is offering new services every year. They're offering a couple of new services. This is an infrastructure platform, and it has its own database and everything. There are different people have different specialty. But what is your role here is to learn how to configure this tool, plus also become a business analyst so that you can always help in day-to-day work with ServiceNow tool, also with deployment as well. So you're going to really turn, this is going to be a very dynamic career for you, and we're going to teach you the completely application. So there are a lot of details into it. I just want to let you know the ServiceNow is into IT workflows like service management, operations management, business management. There are so many, and employee workflows are there, customer workflows are there, creator workflows are there. You don't have to know everything. As long as you know how to configure the tools and how to use the ServiceNow tools on a day-to-day basis. That is a good knowledge for you to cut into as a ServiceNow BA. As a ServiceNow BA, you're looking at a starting salary of $90,000. You're looking at 90 to 110. Okay, and I'll also discuss about how to get there. So the various things about this we will teach you, and do want to tell you. So for the beginners, guide to ServiceNow professional, I do want to tell you is relatively faster to get a job by having a ServiceNow tool knowledge in your resume. Okay, I suggest you to go in as a BA. Okay, ServiceNow job market is hot, and it's really hot in US and Canada. Yeah, of course, in US you have a lot of jobs. If you're a citizen, then of course you can get a lot of remote jobs. Or if you like to travel to US or you want to move ahead, yes, I can help you. For the permanent residents and work permits, also it's a great place to start a brand new career into IT. So a high paying job in the ecosystem is pretty much guaranteed for you. Money is good. Yes, that's guaranteed, no problem with that. Servinas has almost 7,000 customers covering 80% of the Fortune 500 company. This is amazing news. Okay. ServiceNow is scaling up, training 1 million candidates by 2025. 2025 is a great year for ServiceNow for hiring. So you definitely want to have this in your profile. There is demand talents to support those customers. ServiceNow reduces the IT cost by 50%. Because it reduces the IT cost by 50%, a lot of clients are going for ServiceNow deployment, and that is why you have a job opportunity there. The rising growth of ServiceNow is leading to multiple job opportunities and a plenty of growth trajectory. So there are different phases for this training. First training is ServiceNow portal training. Phase two is we are going to talk about full stack business analyst training. In few seconds, I'm going to take you through the full stack curriculum too, business analyst curriculum. I'm going to send an email shortly. The email will have curriculum for the ServiceNow training and BA training also. And once you finish the phase one and phase two, what are the certifications do we need? You will need to take a CSA certification, a certified admin certification from ServiceNow. It walks up to close to $250 to $300, and we'll try to see if we can get you some vouchers. So that certification is must for to showcase your ServiceNow knowledge. And from the BA side, you need to do a Scrum Master certification. It will cost you only 50 USD. You can do that from International Scrum Institute, and we will help you clear these certifications and everything. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. We understand what is the requirement for resumes in this job market. So resumes and LinkedIn prep will be completely be done by us. We will see your past experience and we'll give you, we will make your resume into transferable experience so that you shine out well. Okay, and we provide also resume marketing for US market as well, and Canada market. We also market your resume with our connections, which can help you get more interviews. Okay, so let me talk about, we'll come to the certifications here. Let me talk about business analyst. Okay, this is a business analyst career. This is a very uncommon approach of business analyst. So we are helping you learn the business analyst skills as of current market requirement. You have to understand the market of business analyst is evolving. So you got to make sure that you are updated with today's knowledge. Okay, in this curriculum, we're going to teach you from the basics. So you don't have to know anything, like I said. This is the second phase. First phase is learn the ServiceNow tool. Second phase is the BA. Okay. Second phase, we're going to take you from the rock bottom. We'll teach you the BA skills. Now then you know the ServiceNow tool very well. Good job. Now we're going to teach you a BA because I want you to have plan A and plan B. Plan A is to become a ServiceNow admin. Plan B is to become a business analyst in ServiceNow. So we will make you a comprehensive resume. We showcase both the skill set for you. So in this training as a BA, you're going to learn the basics. Initiation phase, we're going to teach you a planning and design phase in BA, implementation phase in software development lifecycle, testing phase, and deployment phase. It's very important for you. These are the few stages in software development lifecycle. You need to know if you want to go into IT, it is important that you need to know how software development lifecycle works and what is your role in it. Okay, please understand this training is not just about certification. We prepare you for the job. So it's very important for you to focus on what exactly I'm saying. Okay, everything what I'm saying will help you become BA. I've been a BA for almost like close to 20 years. Okay, I've been started as a data analyst, then I became a BA, then I became a subject matter expert in a guidewire technology. I was a program manager, project manager, and now even now we do consulting services for Salesforce, Guidewire, and in ServiceNow technology too. So coming down to what is covered, we start from the basics of what is B. We literally start from there, and we'll teach you what skill set is required and what are the roles and responsibilities. What is a career map of a business? Full roadmap you'll get. We'll talk about the initiation phase. Yes, the software development lifecycle. What is your role in the initial phase? What do you do with the ServiceNow knowledge? We will talk about it. And then planning and design phase. It's very important for BAs to be part of the planning phase, because unless the solution is not finalized, unless the scope of the project is not identified, nobody will start any software development lifecycle. And that's a very crucial part where BAs have to play. And that's where you come in. Okay. And you'll be learning a lot of things like, epics, user stories, product backlogs, using Jira. We are learning different tools like Jira, Confluence, Visio, Microsoft tools, and Star UML. You will learn enough knowledge for you to crack the job. There are so much to study, but we don't have to know everything. We'll only teach you key things which is required to go 0 to 100. Okay, the overall duration of this training, you're looking at close to 2.5 months. And ServiceNow training is happening 3 days a week. Once you complete, you will transition into a BA training, which will happen 4 sessions a week, which is totally you're looking at 2.5 months to complete this whole duration. So as a BA, because if you're seeing new, if I take you through all these things, can get a little confusing. But as a BA, you need to understand you are the manager of managing the requirements. Okay, so we will teach you how to track your requirements, how to document your requirements, how to deliver the requirement, how to analyze the requirements, and deliver to the development, help them in the development stage with the testing phase and with deployment. So you're going to learn the whole deployment process. Okay, so yes, and from the technical side, you will also learn, you will learn SQL, Python basics, you will learn APIs, microservices architecture, data migration process, ETL process, everything, and testing phases, deployment phases, and everything. So this training will give you a knowledge about how internet works, the cloud, front and back end development, server side, and everything. And then eventually we will you will go through real world simulations. This is a completely training program. We will teach you how to do different analysis diagrams, and you will need to do that as a homework or to practice. And you will also learn how to document requirements in Jira too. So there's a lot of learning to be done. So we're going to do 0 to 100 in 2.5 months. So we will help you with certification. These are the various companies our folks have landed into jobs. So just to cut it short, I don't want to keep talking, but I do want to tell you our next session is starting on January 6th. Okay, so this is a great start. The first few months of the year, first 7 months, is a great year to get into a new career, and it's very crucial to make a strong decision right now. And I do want to tell you, in our company, if you take one program, we will offer you one more program as a free upgrade. So all those things we will discuss when you get in touch with me. My name is Sudesh Anand, and like I said, you will be getting emails. We are offering the first 3 sessions complimentary. And what is the charge? The total program fee is actually $2,500. Okay, but you know what? I want to start this year with a bang, and I want to serve the community. And I have helped a lot of people who are immigrants get into their dream jobs in IT. And I am an expert in this. So if you want to ask more questions and everything, feel free to give me a call. Okay. And my number is 647-221-0315. And you will have an email with all those details. And we are offering first 3 sessions. If you're not registered for the session, you will have a registration link. Please register yourself. We have limited spaces. We don't take too many candidates. So first few people are going to consider that we don't have a batch more than 10 to 15 people. So you need to rush in. And if you're looking to have a strong career and you want to unlock a 6-figure paycheck, it is very possible. But you have to understand the studying part is organic. and I will position you how to market yourself in a resume in US and Canada market. Okay. So wish you all the best. I'm looking forward. I hope that you make a strong decision. Okay. And you have a great year there and a great day. Thank you so much for listening through this and have a wonderful day. Thank you.